How to do power cleaning on your Epson EcoTank printer L4260. How to perform power cleaning. You should only perform power cleaning after several attempts of printhead cleaning and print quality does not improve. However, if you still see white or dark lines or missing nozzles in your printouts, even after printhead cleaning several times, you can run a power cleaning. Before you run a power cleaning, please take note of the following. As power cleaning consumes a lot of ink, so you should run it only if necessary. Make sure each tank is at least 1/3 before running a power cleaning, or it may damage the printer. You should only perform power cleaning after several printhead cleaning and print quality does not improve after 12 hours. An interval of 12 hours is required between each power cleaning. Power cleaning affects the service life of the printer's ink pads. The ink pads collect inks that is not used on printed pages, and the capacity can be reached via power cleaning. For more information, please contact your local Epson support or help desk. Toggle to maintenance options by pressing the right arrow button on the control panel and press the OK button. Select Power Cleaning option, then press the OK button. Follow the on-screen instructions to read Terms and Conditions by pressing the down arrow button and click the OK button. Repeat the same for remaining two conditions. After agreeing to all terms and conditions, press and hold the Start button for 5 seconds until power cleaning begins. Power cleaning in progress. Press OK button once power cleaning is completed. Your printer is now ready.